Welcome back. In a major decision, government has decided to appoint IAS officers as directors of crucial departments like education, industries and excise. Government issued a notification to this effect on Friday evening. There has been major reshuffling of portfolios of IAS officers in the state. Here's the report.
The government order states that IAS officers are entrusted with the responsibility of director of some crucial departments in the public interest. Following are the appointments: Officer F.O. Hashmi, Department Director of Industries, Trade and Commerce, MD, GIDC; D.P. Divedi, Director of Education; Jayadev Sarangi, Commissioner of Excise. Government has also gone ahead with reshuffling of portfolios allotted to the IAS officers. Following are the important allocations: Officer Sanjay Srivastav, Secretary of Home, Personal, Civil Aviation; B. Vijayanand, Finance, Power, Environment; R. K. Verma, PWD, Forest, Mines; Primal Rai, Health, Urban Development, TCP; S. Kumaraswamy, Elections, Chief Electoral Officer; Matthew Samuels, Art and Culture, Tourism; Pramod Kamath, Law, Judiciary, Legislative Affairs. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
UGDP's two-leaf symbol will not figure in the Kuttari by-poll. UGDP's candidate Ramakant Borkar will now have to contest the by-poll as an independent candidate. Joint Chief Electoral Officer Narayan Navti says Borkar would not be able to contest on party ticket as he has not submitted Form A to the returning officer. He will now have to choose symbol from the open category. In Kuttari, it will be a three-corner fight between BJP, Congress and an independent.
मकन बोरकरान याकरता आपण UGDPचो म्हणून फायल केल्लो पूण जेन्ना ऑथरायज्ड डॉक्युमेंट दॅट इज फॉर्म नंबर ए ताका दिलो ना पार्टीन आनी तो ताणें प्रोड्यूस करूना म्हणून ताका इंडिपेंडंट कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून कंटेस्ट करचो पडलो पार्टीचो कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून तो करपाक शकना ही इज प्रिपेर्ड टू कंटेस्ट एज अ इंडिपेंडंट कॅन्डिडेट आनी हीज नॉमिनेशन वॉज एक्सेप्टेड एज अ इंडिपेंडंट कॅन्डिडेट इंस्टेड ऑफ अ कॅन्डिडेट फ्लोटेड बाय अ पार्टी he will not be allowed to use two leaves as a symbol, but he will have to select a symbol from the free symbols which are available with the committee.
Ramakant Borkar says that he had submitted the Form B to contest on UGDP ticket, but in prevailing circumstances, he will now contest as an independent candidate.
Actually, बोलला UGDP चेर पण आता आयको येता प्रमाणे हो सांगतालो आमकां डेप्युटी कलेक्टर रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर सांगला की टू लिव्सां बाबतींत ते कांय येवना सपोज टू लिव्स जालना जाल्यार तुका इंडिपेंडंट सिंबल पडटा फॉर्म दिला पूण तो सिंबल रेकग्नायज जावना अशें म्हणून तेणें सांगलां सो ते ना जाल्यार इंडिपेंडंट भरतालो.
Our reporters Navdeep Agyar and Surendra Matkekar.
Dead tree at Fatorda has become a reason of worry for the citizens in the area. Locals claim that the tree is posing a threat to the commuters. They have demanded that the tree should be uprooted. Citizen journalist Nitin Nagvekar reports from Fatorda.
हांव नितीन नागवेकर CWCचो ट्रेजरर हांगा येल्लो आशिल्लो हांव तें झाड पळोवपा खातीर हें झाड इतलें हें जाल्लें आसा मेल्लें आसा की तें कोणाचेर पडपाक शकता फाल्यां कोण मोटरसायकल वता कितें वता तेंचें तें पडून कितें जावपाक शकता मरपाक शकता कितें जावपाक शकता तें डेंजरस आसा म्हणून हांव तें म्युनिसिपलिटीक आनी किंवा PWDक हांव तेंकां रिक्वेस्ट करता की जाता तितले बेगीन कितें तरी एक्शन घेवची हे झाडा खातीर. तेच बरोबर हांगासर एक नाला आसा पळय कुशीन आसा तो घाण जाल्लो आसा हांगासर आनी तें बी पब्लिकाक खूब हें आसा डेंजरस आसा फाल्यां मॉस्किटो जाता कितें जाता आनी हांगासर लागीं स्विमींग पूल येता भुरगीं येतात धाकटीं धाकटीं भुरगीं येतात क्लीन करपाक तें तुमी मातशें जाता तितले बेगीन क्लीन करचें हांव तें रिक्वेस्ट करता PWD किंवा म्युनिसिपलिटीक कोणी एक्शन घेवन तें मातशें जाता तितले बेगीन क्लीन करचें आनी हांव तुमकां रिक्वेस्ट करता जाता तितले बेगीन तुमी एक्शन घेवचें आनी ते पावसा पयलीं तुमी सगळें क्लियर करचें.
Citizen journalist from Margaon Nitin Nagvekar with our reporter Savio Dias.
International Museum Day was celebrated on Friday. Archaeological Survey of India inaugurated an open-air display of the Archaeological Museum at Old Goa. Various monuments were kept on display. Have a look.
Culture is the fusion or the blending together of various historical currents and cross currents which have influenced from times immemorial the destiny of our country, our people, our values and traditions. This cultural patrimony is our heritage to be preserved for the benefit of and to the future, for our own benefit and the benefit of future students and guidance of students, teachers and historians.
Our video journalist Tulsidas Chari with Sammy Gonsalves.
Kutori MLA Alex Reginald has alleged that appointment of Sanjeev Dalvi as Director of Health Services is illegal. He claims that seniority-wise, Ruanda Disa should have got the post. Kutori MLA has demanded a CBI inquiry into the matter before Kuttari polls.
CBI inquiry जावपा जाय कोण सारका तो हांव म्हणटा तूं क्लीन जाल्यार धाड CBI तेगे डेट ऑफ जॉयनिंग एसेटेन कोन्नी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट वस्त ती हुंयच्या मनशाक गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंट डेट ऑफ जॉयनिंग वाचता देर इज इवन सर्वीस बुकाचे हांवें घेवन कॉपीज लास्ट टायम ओवररायटींग आहा ओवररायटींग केलें जाल्यार सर्वीस बुकाचेर तेगे सायन आसपा जाय ऑफ ज्युनियर ऑफिसर सिनियर ऑफिसर इनिशियल आसपा जाय कांय ना.
Alexio Reginald had a press briefing on Friday at Margao. He demanded that Dr. Ruando Disa should be promoted as the Director of Health Services. Alex wants justice before Cortalim poll.
Cortalim election आहा ताजे पयलीं कर कित्याक आमगेले लोकांक कोण न्ही की आमचे क्रिस्तांव भावांक कोण न्ही बाबा होरें आमगेलो चीफ मिनिस्टर सांगत तें कोत्ता काय ना. डॉक्टर डल्वीक 2000 जेन्ना BJP गव्हर्मेंट आहला तेन्ना तेका मेडिकल सुपरिटेंडंट तेका केलो प्रमोशन रॉंग डेटीचे दिन तेगे जॉयनिंग डेट पासून सारकी ना. कॉल लेटर पर डेट GPSCन कॉल लेटर डेट दिलोली कॉल लेटर दितात तुका इंटरव्यू यो म्हूण ती डेट तेगेली डेट ऑफ जॉयनिंग दाखयल्या. मनोहर पर्रीकराक हांव सांगता की दॅट इज रॉंग. डॉक्टर रुवान दिसा ऑनेस्ट मनीस जालो काय ना आमच्यान म्हणून जाता एज अ काँग्रेस लेटर आमगे गव्हर्मेंट आमी हाय फॉर झिरो करप्शन आनी आनीक 0 टॉलरन्स टू करप्शन आमी हाय आमी तुजे बरोबर हाय जस्टीस दी.
Our reporter from Margao, Samir Bhatt.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.